What is the condition when we call that we got a disease?
Wait.
If I say that disease, so what do you mean by disease?
A condition that is harmful for us.
Yeah, that is unhealthy condition of the body, right? That means unhealthy condition, right? In which our internal metabolism is affected, right? Internal metabolism is affected, our body is not able to do the work properly. That is our disease condition. And if I say, how is this disease carried then? Who is responsible to carry this disease?
Pathogens.
Pathogen. And what are pathogens?
They're organisms which cause
Diseases, right?
Yeah.
So they are organisms, basically unicellular ones, like you can say bacteria, virus, right? Some protozoa, these small organisms which you can't see from your minute, means with naked eyes you can't see them. Such type of organisms, they are called pathogens, and they just transmit the diseases inside your body. They transmit the diseases through several means inside your body. Like the transmitters of the diseases can transmit the disease via outer contact also, or through the internal contact also, right? Outer contact means?
Okay.
Like outer, if I say direct contact, outer contact, so how they are passed from the pathogen to your body if you are having outer contact? Means outer means you are just, suppose you can say by the touching of something, right? Touching of the infected area. Then coming in contact with the infected person, right? When the person is infected, if you are going near to him, you can also catch that same problem. Then what else? How can you have that? Or in your, say, if I'm saying touch, so what does it mean? Method of touching. Like if you touch the contaminated surface, if you touch the unhygienic, like during coronavirus, what was happening? Everybody was sneezing, so they were using like this, na, elbow, right?
Yeah.
We were not using our hands like this in front of the mouth, right? We were using our elbows like this while we were sneezing. Why? Because due to our infected hands, others were also having the chances to get contaminated. We shake hands with somebody, the infection can be there, right? So it was said that don't shake hands. Those days it was said that not to shake hands with anybody, right? Meet from a distance, only wish verbally, no hugs, right? So that was due to the, you can say, due to the contact which the person was having outernally, externally, right? And what is the internal contact which I am talking about?
Internal contact. Breathing it in.
Internal contact means like it can be in our blood, right? And we are using what? Infectious syringe.
Oh.
Right? Injections, syringes, right? Doctor gave us the injections. So we are using infectious, unsterilized syringes. Unsterilized means the syringes are not boiled. They are not boiled in hot water. They are not sterilized, clean, right? The germs in the syringe are almost there. So in that case, when you are again from the same syringe, if the doctor injects us, so what happens? The pathogens go in our blood through the this syringe contact, right? Second thing is, if a person is having some infected semen, so after his marriage, that semen passes through the body of its partner, and then the other partner can also have the infection, right? This is also one way. And in the outer contact, we can also have it through unhygienic food.
Mm.
Like if you are using the food, suppose, which is not properly boiled, it is raw, not cooked properly.
Mm.
In that case, that unhygienic food is also responsible for our diseased condition. Then insect bites. What about the insect bites?
Mm.
Which insects?
Ants.
Ah, no, mosquitoes.
Oh.
Right? What happens in case of mosquitoes? The mosquitoes, they what are they able to spread?
Dengue.
They can spread malaria, they can
Oh.
spread dengue, they can spread chikungunya, right?
Mm.
So lot of conditions are there where the mosquito bite is responsible for so many diseases. Just give me 1 second. Fine. So you can say mosquito bite, they are responsible for carrying malaria, for dengue, for chikungunya, right?
Mm.
So all these conditions are due to the insect bites. So now you can say that different type of insect bites are also responsible for the different infections, right?
Mm.
Dengue, malaria, chikungunya, and all of this. Then I told you about defense mechanisms after that. What are defense mechanisms?
Immunity.
No. What are the defense mechanisms in our body?
Oh, skin.
What? We
Us.
have two type of defense mechanism we discussed that day. What are they?
Um,
Body defense mechanism or body have three main ways in which the body works.
outer and inter. No. Chemical and mechanical.
We have one way which is mechanical, right?
Yeah, and chemical.
First, we have mechanical barriers in our body which are responsible to put the infection away from our body. In mechanical barriers, what do we include?
Skin.
This will include your
Nostrils.
skin. Then no, you will not say nostril. You will say hairs in the
nose.
nostrils, right?
Oh.
In your skin also there are hairs, right?
Yeah.
In your skin also you are having hair. Then what else?
Okay. Mucus? I don't think that.
Mucus. What is mucus? Mucus is not a chemical, not a mechanical barrier,
But the chemical.
yeah, it's chemical. So in your mechanical barrier, you will talk of skin, which is your outer protective layer, right? It is your outer protective layer of your body. So you will talk about the skin. Secondly, you will talk about the hair in the nostrils, right? Why? What are they used for? They will trap the foreign
dust
particles. You can say foreign particles entering your body, right? So you can say second step, which is told under mechanical barriers, is hair on the nose, nostrils. You can say our skin also, right? Then second category of barriers, they include chemical barriers, right? Now chemical barriers will include what?
Mucus.
Here they will include mucus. And what is mucus? It is a semi-jelly type substance, right?
Yeah.
And where is it found?
In our nose.
It's
produced
in your nose, in your respiratory tract, right?
Yeah, but does it have to do something with the lungs?
Means you are having inside your trachea, right? And what is it for? It just traps that foreign particles because it is sticky, na? It will trap those foreign particles. So you can say this chemical barrier include mucus, and this mucus is in various parts of our body. In this, what happens? The pathogens, they get trapped, right? The pathogens, they get trapped in this chemical, you can say in this chemical substance, the pathogens, they get trapped and they are removed by the body through this mucus. After you cough, you sneeze, you blow, right? Together with this mucus, you can release those pathogens out. Second type of your chemical barrier is stomach acid.
Oh, yeah, stomach.
In what? In your digestive
Mhm.
system, right? In which part of your which organ of your digestive system?
The stomach.
The stomach. What is the name of that stomach acid?
Hydrochloric acid or gastric acid.
Gastric acid or gastric juice, better you can
Oh,
say,
yeah.
right? Not gastric acid, it is gastric juice. And chemically it is hydrochloric acid, right?
Mm.
So what is, it can be a one word